Hello everyone, it is girl Juliana aka Life is Juliana, and welcome back to my channel. So today your girl is going to attempt to make this beautiful silver centerpiece that I found in Big Lots. I'm going to be duplicating this centerpiece, so here we go. Let's get started. Now I went into the Dollar Tree and I picked up all the items that I'm going to need to create this beautiful centerpiece. So I found these in the section where they have the Christmas decor, and then I went ahead and picked up these three glass vase, and I tried to find something as close as possible to the actual centerpiece in Big Lots, so that's what I decided to get. And then I picked up also three silver candle, and you could change those if you like. And these are the flowers that I decided to get. That original piece did have the white and the silver and the different things attached to it, so I tried to find as many pieces as I could get. That piece that I saw in Big Lots, the centerpiece, was $30, so for me getting all that I need here was definitely on a budget. So this right here, I found that in on Amazon, and then if you don't have that, you could go for the diamond wrap, and that is also in the Dollar Tree. Now this is what I'm going to be using to create the stand or the base for the centerpiece. As you can see, you could just use whatever you could find. This is just a regular box that you buy here from the beauty supply store, so it doesn't matter what you use as long as you have a nice solid base. As you can see, I'm showing you here a couple of different options. Even a shoes box, if you have that, go ahead and use that, but I decided to go with the box that I bought. Actually bought my wig, and that's what I'm going to be using to create this centerpiece. So I hope it comes out as good as it looked in the store. Alright, so what I did, I took it outside and I spray painted it into silver, and then with this bling here that I found on Amazon, I'm just going to go ahead and use my hot glue gun and just attach it to the cardboard box. And know that you could also use your E6000 to do that as well, but I just feel, okay with just using the hot glue gun just to secure it on to the base of the box. Now, if you are still here watching me doing this DIY project for your very first time, hey guys, what's up? This is Juliana, and here I do different things: story time, DIYs, cooking, vlogs, hauls, whatever, home decor, whatever comes to mind, that is what I do here. Whatever makes me happy. So you'll find all different kinds of uploads on this channel, okay? So yeah, it's just my life here. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe and join the Juliana crew over here. We are one big happy family here, and it's a pleasure to have you with us, all right? Okay, so now that I've done attaching the bling onto the box, now I'm going to go ahead and just arrange how I'm going to have my centerpiece on the glass, the candle stand up. The middle one you want to make sure is higher than the two sides. So I had this from a prior project, and that's also from a Dollar Tree. You could use anything just to give it a higher lift in the middle. But this piece that I'm using to give it that lift, it comes in a pack of 3 or 2, I think. But however, this is what I'm going to be using to give it a lift, and I only used I used the hot glue, and then I did use some glue that I bought at Walmart. Okay, you could use a Dollar Tree, whatever you could find, or just use, if you have really good hot glue, then just go ahead and do whatever works for you, just to make sure that it stays on the base and it doesn't fall off. Okay. All right, so that looks pretty good. You're just going to go ahead and secure that to the box, the middle piece to the box. Now you just want to let it sit for a few before you move on to your next step, okay? Allow it to dry properly. All right, now I have detached all the flowers that I have to for my project. So we're going to go ahead and just simply attach them, and I'm only using the art glue gun for this. But make sure that you take the stems off. I find that it's easier to stick to the box. Well, it works for me. But I always just go ahead and click those off and then attach them to the box using the hot glue gun. Now, if you are still here watching me and you have not subscribed to my first channel, how to cook channel, the link for that channel will be listed down below. You can go over there and subscribe to that channel. I have all kinds of cooking recipes over there, so go ahead and subscribe. Show your girls some love over there as well. Now, when you are putting your flowers, or if you could use roses, whatever works for you, just make sure that you leave spaces in between, so everything fits into place. And you want to be sure that you cover your candle stands, if that makes any sense. Okay. Now I'm just going in and just putting in the silver as well, moving it around. And if there's any spaces in between, that's okay, because you're going to be adding other things to it, but you just want to make sure that it's nice and full. That looks really good. Now we're going to go ahead and add the other decor to it, and you just want to go ahead and just stick them into anywhere. You could, I don't want to just, you could use your hot glue gun or your E6000. It doesn't matter, just as long as you get it to stick in the center, like different places of the centerpiece. Just put it wherever you want. Anywhere there's a gap, just fill it in. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, y'all, so it looks pretty good thus far. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and attach those bigger silver flowers. So I did buy 4 of those. I'm gonna attach 1 on each side of the base, or the box, or whatever you want to call it. Just go ahead and attach 1 to each side to complete it. And I did get some round Christmas ball decor, and I'm going to go ahead and attach those to it as well as I did buy some Christmas bells. Y'all, I'm getting ready to decor my tree pretty soon. I know it's Thanksgiving is around the corner, but I'm going to go ahead and do that as well, and I think I'm going to share that with you guys as well. We'll see. But anyway, I did buy these in the Dollar Tree. So I bought 2 of each. We're just going to go ahead and attach it onto the base. I keep saying vase, onto the centerpiece, and that will complete that. And we will have an amazing centerpiece, even better than it was, I think, in the Big Lots store. Okay, we'll see. And there you have it, y'all. I'm all done here, and I have to confess, I'm in love with this centerpiece, and I think it did come out a little bit better than it looked in Big Lots. Big Lots was nice, but I think this has my little touch to it, and I love it, love it, love it. So if you love it as much as I do, keep it a thumbs up on your way out. Tell me if you did like it as much as I did, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.